The third product on this list is the FANTTIK X87PEX. Introducing the FANTTIK X87PEX Air Inflator, a powerful and compact device that can quickly inflate tires, bikes, balls, and other inflatables without requiring an external power supply. Equipped with a built-in high-performance chip, this inflator can provide 32 minute of airflow and top off 26.3-inch EV and passenger tires in under 1 minute, making it an ideal tool for emergencies or daily use. The device comes with a rechargeable 7800 mAh battery that can provide up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime and features 4+N innovative modes, allowing beginners to choose preset inflation modes or set the pressure value manually according to the inflation object. The large LCD dual display shows real-time pressure and preset values, while the maximum pressure of 150 psi and the auto stop feature ensures you don't overinflate your tires. But that's not all. The X87PEX also comes with a 2-mode LED light for convenience in the dark, a 5V 3A USB-C input port, and a 5V 2A USB-A output port, making it an emergency power supply for your phone. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around in your car, bicycle rack, or backpack. While the device's air hose is only 13 inches long, the X87PEX is still a reliable and efficient tool to use in most situations. Although it may take slightly longer to inflate tires than other models, its portability and convenience make it a worthy investment. Overall, the FANTTIK X87PEX Air Inflator is an excellent option for those needing a powerful, portable, and easy-to-use tire inflator for emergencies or daily use. So why not grab one today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with always being prepared? Its pros are: it is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around in a car, backpack, or bicycle rack. It is made to display both real-time pressure value and preset value, making it easy to read and avoid overinflating tires. And it features a 2-mode LED light for convenience in the dark and can also be used as an emergency power supply for phones. However, it has a relatively short battery life of about 40 minutes. The FANTTIK X87PEX Tire Inflator is an excellent choice for those who value portability, convenience, and fast inflation times, with the added bonus of a built-in rechargeable battery and emergency power supply.